Phad is an ancient Indian folk art with a history spanning over 700 years. The word phad likely derives from the Sanskrit word pat, meaning a flat surface for painting. This art form is created on a piece of cloth that can be rolled up, possibly linking it to the local term phad, which means something that can be folded. Some believe that phad is a derivative of the word pad, meaning to read. When Bhopa folk singers present these paintings, which are based on local heroic tales, it appears as though they are reading these stories through the images. However, phad is the more accepted and widely used term. Even the Bhopas themselves refer to these paintings as phad. In Rajasthan, traditional phad paintings depict stories of local deities such as Dev Narayan Ji, Pabu Ji, Goga Ji, Ramdev Ji, and Mata Ji.
वो फड़ शब्द का मतलब चित्र है, चित्रों का पिटारा, समूह। इसलिए पट चित्र, जो पट चित्र पड़े, वो पड़ और फड़े एक ही शब्द है, उच्चारण भेद है, कोई फर्क नहीं है। लेकिन इसमें चित्रों का पिटारा है और अनेक चित्र हैं। बाबू जी के पढ़ो देनान में तो भरे हुए हैं चित्रों से, और बाबू जी के पढ़ में बहुत सारे चित्र हैं। तो ये वो फड़ और पड़ एक ही शब्द है, कोई ज़्यादा भेद नहीं है। उच्चारण के अनुसार अलग अलग लोग अपने अपने ढंग से उच्चारण करते हैं।
In the Bhilwara region of Rajasthan, traditional ritualistic paintings on cloth, known as phad paintings, depict the lives and heroic tales of local deities. Phad is not merely considered a painting, it is revered as a divine form. Both the painters and the Bhopas who narrate the tales through these paintings hold them in high regard. Bhopas treat the phad as a living deity, offering it incense daily and keeping it in a sacred place at home. They do not close the phad without narrating it once opened. When a phad becomes old, it is not discarded, but immersed in the holy Pushkar lake. Along with these paintings, there is folk music that narrates the heroism of these characters. This music, especially sung by Bhopas, uses special instruments like the jantar and Ravan Hatha. Most phad painters believe that the history of phad paintings made in Bhilwara and Shahpura of Rajasthan dates back around 600 years. They claim that the Chipa painters here developed a distinctive painting style under the Mewar school, known as the phad painting style. These Chipa painters call themselves Joshi. The Joshi phad painters believe they belong to the Chipa community, but their ancestors created birth charts and painted on walls rather than printing cloth. A group of them eventually began phad painting. Today, all active Joshi phad painter families are members of the same clan. Let's gather some insights about phad from the Joshi community.
राजस्थान में कई तरह की चित्रशैलियाँ व्याप्त है, तो हर जगह की अलग अलग शैली राजे महाराजाओं के टाइम पे विकसित हुई थी। तो फड़ पेंटिंग जो है ये पुरानी लोक शैली है और भी जैसे मिनिएचर है, देवगढ़ है, उदयपुर शैली है, मेवाड़ स्कूल है, नाथद्वारा स्कूल है, बस्सी आर्ट है, जयपुर का मिनिएचर अलग है, बीकानेर की शैली अलग है, और जोधपुर की शैली अलग है, कोटा की शैली अलग है, बूंदी की शैली अलग है। तो ये सभी शैलियों में कुछ डिफरेंस है।
The Koli community was associated with weaving cloth on which Brahmins painted. Traditional paintings were large. Babuji's phad was 13 feet long, while Devnarayan Ji's phad was 30 feet long. The Rebari community worshipped these paintings, believing that Babuji protected their cattle.
फड़ पेंटिंग में मोस्टली कहानियाँ ही बनाई जाती है। ऐसे ही और भी बहुत सारी आर्ट है जिसमें कहानियाँ बनाई जाती है, लेकिन इनके कुछ मोटिव्स है जो और कलर्स है जो एक पेंटिंग को दूसरी कला से थोड़ा अलग करते हैं। जैसे फड़ में प्रोफाइल फेसेस बनते हैं, इसके कलर्स बहुत ब्राइट होते हैं और राजस्थान के कलर से मिलते जुलते होते हैं। उसी तरीके से जैसे फड़ एक नरेटिव आर्ट है राजस्थान की, एक नरेटिव आर्ट तेलंगाना की भी है चरियल। तो इसमें भी कहानियाँ बताई जाती है, लेकिन वो साउथ की कहानियाँ होती है, उसमें कलर्स अलग होते हैं, उसमें स्ट्रक्चर बॉडी के स्ट्रक्चर अलग होते हैं, एलिमेंट्स अलग यूज़ किए जाते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे केले के पत्ते, बनियन ट्री जो राजस्थान में सबसे ज़्यादा दिखाई जाता है, वो उस तरीके से मोटिव यूज़ होते हैं। तो इससे हमें पता चलता है कि ये कौन सी आर्ट है और वो कैसे अलग है।
Phad paintings are created on hand-woven cloth called khadi or reza. This thick cloth is durable for years. The cloth is soaked overnight, then coated with a mixture of barley flour and gum to stiffen it for use like tarpaulin. This process is known as kalaf lagana, often done by women. After applying the kalaf, the cloth is dried flat in the sun. Its surface is then smoothed and polished with a stone called Chandrakant to achieve a glossy finish, a process called ghotna. Traditionally, Phad painting begins on an auspicious day with a prayer to Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and art. An unmarried girl makes the first brush stroke. A preliminary sketch is made in light yellow known as kacha or kachi likhai. The cloth is then divided into sections and adorned with umbrellas, trees, etc. Phad paintings predominantly use yellow, orange, green, brown, red, blue and black, each with its significance and specific use. The hallmark of Phad painting is its flat images, which do not face the viewer but look towards each other. The painting concludes on an auspicious day and the figures are depicted according to their importance. Major characters are larger and detailed, while minor ones are smaller.
पहल पोत गजानन जी स्टार्ट करा मैं बिन्नाग जी ने मना सुरस्ती बाता ने मनानी पड़े, पचवागी देवता ने मनाना पड़े, बेरू जी ने, बालाजी ने, गजानन जी ने, सब देवता ने याद कर पच कत्ता चालू करा। पच बगड़ावता की भी चालू कर सका, हम तो देवनारायण जी की भी चालू कर सका। अच्छा आप कोई पब्लिक मांग करे ने बा कत्ता भी चालू कर दे के भाई मैंने फलानी चीज़ सुननी है तो बा कत्ता में चालू कर दे। पहल पोत बिन्नाग जी 5 भजन मतलब देवता का बोलना पड़े, माता जी का, बिन्नाग जी का, सरस्वती भवानी का, गणेश जी का।
In the early days, Phad art was a nomadic source of entertainment and knowledge. Bhopas sang stories all night, but over time, the stories shortened and the paintings shrank to 2, 4 or 6 feet, small enough to hang on a wall. Almost 15 to 20 years ago, Phad paintings were solely associated with religious sanctity. The advent of printing presses and photography after independence adversely affected Phad artists, leading to a decline in patronage. A study shows that almost 20 years ago, only 7 to 10 professional Phad painters remained in Rajasthan. From 1950 to 1960, this art form nearly reached the brink of extinction. Padma Shri awardee, Phad artist Shri Lalji Joshi founded Joshi Kala Kunj in Bhilwara, Rajasthan in 1960 to keep this art alive. Later in 1990, his sons Gopal and Kalyan Joshi renamed it Chitrashala. Over the years, more than 3,000 painters have been trained here. Today, fewer than 20 Phad artists are fully engaged in this art form. This art, which narrates India's glorious traditions and stories, has journeyed through centuries. There is a pressing need to understand and preserve this folk art in the modern era.